In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change member roles in Monday.com. Managing the right level of access is essential for keeping your workspace secure and organized. I'll walk you through the exact path in Monday.com to update someone's role, and along the way, I'll share quick tips so you know what each role actually means and when to use it. Start by heading to Monday.com and signing into your account. Make sure you're using an account with the proper permissions. Only admins can change other users' roles. If you're not sure whether you have admin rights, you'll find out in a moment when we open the admin area. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It's the small avatar or initial that opens your account menu. Click it to reveal the options tied to your profile and workspace. From that menu, choose Administration. If you don't see Administration listed, it means your account doesn't have admin privileges, and you'll need to ask an existing admin to make the change for you. Inside the admin area, go to Directory. This is the centralized place where you can view and manage everyone in your workspace. It's designed to make it easy to find users and check what access they have. Next, select Users. Here you can scroll through all members or use the search bar to quickly locate the person you're looking for. This page also helps you confirm whether someone is currently an admin, viewer, guest, or a standard member. Click the user you want to update. This opens their profile panel where you can review details and change their role. Look for the role control next to their name or within their permissions section. It's typically a drop-down you can open to select a new role. Now choose the role you need: admin, viewer, or guest. Admin grants full administrative control, including access to workspace level settings and billing areas, so use this sparingly and only for trusted team members who truly need it. Viewer provides read-only access. This is best for stakeholders who need visibility but shouldn't make edits. Guest is ideal for external collaborators like clients or contractors with restricted access to specific boards you share with them. After selecting the role, confirm or save if prompted. Changes usually apply immediately. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Follow the principle of least privilege, assigning only the access someone needs to do their job. Let the person know about the change so they're not surprised by new limitations or capabilities. And if anything doesn't look right, you can return to the user and adjust the role at any time. That's it. Your member roles are updated safely and correctly.